Hi YouTube, is Peter from Peter.in, and in this new video I'm gonna unbox and review guys the Iball Rhythm, and it is considered as one of the best home theater that you can get in a budget oriented price. And guys, there are a lot of other home theaters in this price range like the FND, the Index, but I think Iball Rhythm is actually far better when compared to all of the other home theaters in terms of audio quality, build quality, as well as performance. Although, and here you can see this is the actual typical Amazon box, and we do have the Iball box as well. And guys, outside the box we do have some information about the home theater itself, the input, the output, and some other features that make this home theater stand out from other home theaters. All those stuff are written outside the box. Now let's actually open the box and see what we get inside. And guys, the link to this home theater is in the description below, so you guys can check it out if you are interested. And guys, this home theater is made up of completely wood, and there is a lot of cheap quality stuff around. And inside the box we do have the main subwoofer first, and also we do have a connection diagram so that it will be easy for people to set up the home theater if you don't know how to do so. So guys, as I said before, we do have the subwoofer first to take out, and we do have the two satellite speakers as well. And guys, let me just actually take it out from its protective plastic off. So guys, on the front we do have the volume rocker as well as the bass rocker along with the vent, and this is completely made up of wood for sure, and the quality seems to be really good. Under the back we do have a audio input, audio output, and a switch to turn the subwoofer on and off. And guys, the quality is really amazing, and I actually noticed a small scratch, but that's not an issue. And onto the bottom we do have a subwoofer itself. Now let's take a closer look at the satellite speaker. And guys, subwoofer has a socket that is unremovable, and these are the two satellite speakers. Let me just take it out of their protective plastics, and they're also made up of a really good quality wood. And we do have a single cable that will be going to the subwoofer, and this is the cable itself. And guys, we do have another cable that is the audio input cable that will be plugged, that is a 3.5 mm audio jack.